In this video, I will show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now you want to tap on the updates option at the bottom of your screen. Here you have the option of add status. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon. Now you can either take a photo or take a video. After you have done that, you have this music icon at the top. Tap on that. Now from here you can scroll down and select the music that you want. You can also tap on the search bar and here search for any song. Now once you have found the song that you want to add, tap on that. Now you can drag the slider to select the part of the song that you want to add on your status. From here you can also change the theme. Once you're happy, tap on the done option, then tap on this paper plane icon. And in this way, you can easily add music to WhatsApp status. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.